Introducing the CNC ZX-6100, a powerful, high-precision spring coiling machine from XUYI Automation. Designed for wire diameters from 5 to 10 millimeters, this machine handles a maximum outer diameter of 140 millimeters with ease. Powered by a 31 kilowatt servo motor for wire feeding and multiple servo axes for cutting and coiling, it delivers exceptional stability and flexibility. With 8 servo-driven axes and a total power output of 54 kilowatts, it supports left and right-hand coiling and achieves production speeds of up to 40 pieces per minute. The CNC ZX-6100 features an intuitive control system, durable structure, and automatic feeding frame for efficient, large-scale production. Trusted by global spring manufacturers, XUYI machines are your solution for performance, precision, and productivity. XUYI, over 30 years of spring machinery expertise.